welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do business? What the hell am I on about? If you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload each week. And if you don't know from today's title, we are going to unbox the Plouise budget box from April. So yeah, this is the first budget box that she's released. It cost me £30, and I believe that the contents are worth over £70, and in each of the budget boxes contain a new release. I believe that the next one is going to consist of a palette and perhaps a brow balm, which I'm intrigued about. But if you want to see what I got inside my box and see the swatches, then please stay tuned. So yeah, love the packaging as well. Like, even the bag that it came in was like Plouise, which it never used to, so she's obviously up to post some packaging. And then this is the box that it came in. I did undo it because I had a sneak peek because I was too intrigued, but love the box. And then open it up, you've got the goodies in there. So I believe everyone got the same, but some things were different shades, so I'm just going to put them out. First things first, I got a brow duo. So I actually picked up the shade Mochaccino, and I don't actually know if that's the right shade or not, but I do like my brows darker so that it matches my roots. So the first thing we got is the brow pencil. So this is what it looks like, and a lot of people have been raving about the brow pencil because of how tiny the nib is, so I'm really excited to try this. I've been meaning to try it for ages. This is what it looks like. So you can see it's got the nib one end, and then it's got a little spoolie on the other end. Nice little spoolie, good one. And then this is how tiny, oh yeah, the nib is very tiny. I think it's smaller than the NYX ones. You can see how small that is. Let me just, so that's a swatch there, which I think will be okay, because the only thing that I'll worry about is I don't like to go too dark, but if I go to like a medium brown, it's always too warm. So that's why I wanted to get this one. And then this is the Eyebrow Gel, which is apparently meant to be really good as well. But I've seen a lot of people say about the applicator is too big, which I believe the same as well, because it's like a mascara wand. If you've got quite fine or thin brows, or you really want to get into like the small areas, it's going to be a bit difficult with that big wand. But I have seen her post lately on what we can improve on, and a few people commented on that, so hopefully that's something that she'll end up doing. The next product is one of the new Plouise lip bases. So this is what it looks like. I've been dying to try one of these, and I'm quite glad with this colour. So this is Left on Red. So let's give it a swatch. Oh, that's a very, very vibrant orangey red. That's a nice swatch. It's so creamy as well, so I'm excited to try that out because I've been meaning to try that, and I do want to pick up some more of the colours. The next thing we got was a Plouise brush. So I believe all the brushes are from the cancelled collection, and yeah, I'm really happy about this. So I got the brush 121 from the cancelled collection. As you can see, it's a fluffy brush, and it feels so soft. It feels like and looks a little bit like the Doll Beauty goat hair ones. I don't know if this is synthetic or not, but yeah, really happy about that. And then in here, I believe, are the new products. So let's open her up. Yeah, so inside are 3 new bases. So we've got a purple base, which is called, oh, this is called Purple Passion. This is what it looks like. It's like an aubergine purple. Then next we've got Keeping It Khaki, which will be really nice for like grungy look. And then next, you all know I love the Plouise base. I always use Rumo 02, and I believe this is 2.5. So this will be perfect for me, and it's nice new packaging as well, which I really like. It's very cohesive with all the other packaging. So this is everything swatched. So we've got the 2.5 base, the Keeping It Khaki, the Purple Passion, and then the lipstick. So that is what they look like. I feel like the purple and the Keeping It Khaki bases are very random colours to suddenly come out with, but you know, maybe they were highly requested, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Apparently though, the purple base does stain, and look at my fingers already. So purple base there, and obviously the lipstick there. So yeah, be wary. Don't do the look if you're going out the next day, because your eyelids will probably be stained from that purple aubergine green coloured base. But yeah, that's everything that I got. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and yeah, I'm excited to see what she brings out next because I'm intrigued by this palette that'll be in the next box. If you want to get your hands on these boxes, then you must make sure that you're subscribed to the Plouise newsletter. That's how I got hold of this box myself, because I got it through the email prior to the launch. I think she sold majority of her stock on the pre-launch, so yeah, if you definitely want to get your hands on it, then definitely sign up to the newsletter. Also sign up to her Facebook group page. I think it's like Plouise Takeover, and she always posts on there before every launch, early access as well. But yeah, let me know what product of these that are your favourite, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye!